The most common and most popular solar energy installations here in the Philippines is called the grid tie or the hybrid installation. Basically, what it does is magiging secondary power source mo si solar energy mo. So it will produce what it can produce for the loads ng house. Pag kinulang na yung bahay mo, it will start pulling electricity from Meralco. Seamless yan. Walang transfer switches, sabay sila nagpo-produce ng kuryente. So bakit ka nakakatipid? Siyempre, mas mabagal na yung ikot ng metro mo. Kasi solar is producing electricity, Meralco nagpo-provide ng onti na lang ang nanggagaling kay Meralco. So dun tayo nakakatipid ng kuryente natin. Okay. From the sunlight, for the most basic explanation, sunlight is converted into direct current electricity through the solar module. Tapos our inverter converts the direct current electricity to alternating electricity. So yun ang ginagamit ng mga appliances ng bahay natin. So hindi siya magic, guys. There is a lot of engineering and science behind solar energy.